In this video, we'll be setting up a local MongoDB database and a Node.js server. First, go to the MongoDB website and from Products, choose Community Server to download the database server for local use, or choose Atlas to create an account for a cloud database. For this video, we'll be using the local database, so choose Community Server. Select the server version, platform, and download format that you want. From Products, you can also download Mongo Shell to write queries to the server using the terminal, and the compass for doing the same, but through GUI. Next, go to the Node.js website and download the LTS version, which is compatible with most packages that will be used. Install it like any other program. To run the database server, open the terminal in your editor. From Terminal at the top, choose New Terminal. Alternatively, you can use Windows CMD or any CLI. Navigate to the path where you installed MongoDB. The default path is in C, Program File, MongoDB, Server, Version, Bin. Go to this path first to check that it is right. In the terminal, type cd then the path to the bin folder. And don't forget to add quotation mark for directories that contain spaces. Press Enter. Type MongoDB to start the server. But the server will crash. The error because that the server couldn't find the folders to store the databases in. Go to the specified directory and create a folder called Data. Inside it, create another folder called DB. Then, re-enter the MongoDB command, and it will work. You can connect to DB through Mongo Compass or Shell, and through UApp with Node version lower than 17, but if UApp server work with Node version 17 or higher, you will get a connection refused error. Check out my other video about this error in the video top or in the description below. Stop the server by press Ctrl+C. For now, add the IPv6 option to the MongoDB command. Now MongoDB server is working. Open New Terminal for Node.js server and type npm install if your app doesn't have a node_modules folder. Then type node.js or just app. This is the file that contained the code to create the server. Its name depends on UApp. You can add this code to a JS file to test the connection. You need to install MongoDB package to use it in the JS file. After run the code by write node, then the JS file name, it will print server listening in port 3000 in the terminal. Then when you open the localhost in the browser, as we will do this now, the server will connect to the DB. If the connection success, it will return connection done, but if it failed, the server will print connection error. It should now be running on port 3000. Go to your browser and type localhost:3000. This web app is for user authentication and provides login and sign up with email verification. I also made a video about this app in the above or in description. Note that any changes you make to your code won't take effect until you stop and restart the server. Alternatively, you can use nodemon package. Install it globally by write npm install-g nodemon. Then run the server by write nodemon app. If you use Windows PowerShell, it will prevent nodemon. The cause of this that one of PowerShell feature called execution policies. You can read about it from the link in the error message. So to allow nodemon write set execution policy. -execution policy remote signed. -scope process. The process mean that it allowing the script for this terminal only. If you close it and open new one to will prevent again. Now ran nodemon again. This will automatically restart your code whenever you make changes. That's all for this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.